They can't bang out on their own. They need help from others. Yep. Certain man, as soon as they touch down on the wing, the first thing they're looking to do is make friends. The first thing they're looking to do is fit in. Don't get it twisted. God forbid any of you lot ever go to prison. But you're naturally going to make friends. You're naturally going to start parring. You're naturally going to start jamming with certain man. But certain man, they go out of their way to find friends and fit in and that. Because they're scared. There's certain man that I don't rate as well. Most people, they believe in a higher power and that. Some people also, follow religion and that. But there's certain man, they don't even really believe in a higher power like that. Certain man, they never really subscribe to any religion or anything like that. But as soon as they go to prison, they land on the wing and they look around and they feel the energy and they see that obviously a lot of man there is Muslim, and they think to themselves, right, it's get down or lay down. So they convert. Yeah, I don't respect those people there. You should be joining a religion because you believe in the teachings and what's in the book and whatnot. You shouldn't be joining no religion. You shouldn't be joining no cliques, no gangs, no crews because you're afraid. When I was in prison, the imam tried to come to my cell. I'm cool, thank you. I'm not joining no religion. Certain man now I know, yo, come, let's go to church. I'm good. I'm not going to church. I'm not going to subscribe to any religion and that because man's bammy blood. No way. That'll never happen. So, yeah, I don't rate certain man for joining certain religions because I know why they're doing it. They're doing it because they're scared.